Given expression is 7 plus 4 in bracket 9 minus 3 bracket complete divided by 2. So how much answer of this expression? So first will be a wrong method in solve this expression. So 7 plus 4 is equal to 11 in bracket 9 minus 3 divided by 2 and 11, then 9 minus 3 is equal to multiply by 6 divided by 2 and 11 multiplied by 6 is 66 divided by 2 and final answer is 66 divided by 2. 1 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6 and 2 threes are 6. So final answer is 33. But here this answer is not correct. So correct method is this expression solved to the board mass rule. B means bracket. So first simple bracket, then curly bracket and square bracket. Then O means order. So exponents, indices, etc. Third is exponents, etc. And D means division and M means multiplication. There are equal priority of division and multiplication, same as well as addition and subtraction. Here's also addition and subtraction are equal priority of addition and subtraction. So first will be solve the this example is this bracket, also called as parenthesis. So first will be solve 9 minus 3. So given answer is 7 plus 4 in bracket 9 minus 3 is multiply by 9 minus 3 is 6 divided by 2, then multiply by then solve to the left to right, but first will be bracket solve here order exponents under root etc, but here not given this expression order. So next is division and multiplication. So left to right, first will be 7 plus, but D first will be divided first, 6 divided by 2. So 7 plus 4, 6 divided by 2 equal to 3, and so 7 plus then multiplication 7 plus 4 3s are 12 and final answer is 7 plus 12 is equal to 19. So this answer is equal to 19.